again. Channel that we're gonna react to this amazing video of SB19 Mini Show Breaks Episode 3 Onesie Party. Let's get started.
Welcome to Mini Show Break Episode 3!
It's almost look like your
Kasi,
t-shirt. No.
perfect. Ang tanong, bakit tayo nandito? Kasi ito yung magandang pero tayo Mini Show Break kasi Onesie is now celebrating our second year
Already?
anniversary. Wow!
What?
Hindi naman tayo umabot sa second year.
It's already 2 years?
Hindi naman tayo ng first year.
So, I think like they publicly knew but
Kasi sobrang
they've been
busy.
going because we're so busy.
Kaya naman magpapakain ng ating CEO.
Oh, Pablo.
Siyempre, pagka mayroong celebration, kailangan ng party. Party. Magpa-party tayo today.
Oh, they so off,
Games for you guys. Today we're going to play 3 different games. Are you guys ready to play the game? Let's go. Ready? Bago tayo maglaro, kailangan natin lumipat ng lugar. So ito bagong-bago to.
Bagong-bago yan.
Bago-bago. Kailangan natin tumalo na sa may
Ay,
sabay.
grabe.
Bago to kasi tayo lang ang unang makakagawa nito.
Uy.
Are you guys ready?
Coach
Ready?
Stel.
Talo tayo. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go!
Pablo and Stel become a coach for Voice Kids.
Siyempre, hindi natin ma-achieve ang lahat ng ito without these people. Nasasamahan tayo ngayong gabi
Why
sa
the
episode
background
na to.
feels green screen?
Yeah.
Sila po ang ating mga team.
It's not green screen. No.
So, pakilala kayo sa isa.
But it feels fake.
Ako po, si Ate Lea.
See?
Ako si Kuya Yani.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
Sayan, Bulacan.
Oh. Is that her real name? She and
Maglalaro
I guess.
tayo ng mga
Uy, games. Yan ang gusto
Hey,
sana.
Stel, ano ba ang mga games? Ito exciting yung first game. For our first game, maglalaro tayo ng bagay na bagay sa atin. Mr. and Miss Onesie.
Mr. and Miss Onesie. Oh.
Tayo
Wow, can I
nicknames
join?
based sa category. Kapag tinawag ng Game Master ang nickname mo, nakakampa ka at papasok ka na sa next round. Then yung hindi mapipili, elbow ka.
Elbow. Oh.
Ang winner sa game na ito ay may medal. Wow. Oh, may medal.
Pablo has a lot of things on his mind.
Ano bang lahat? Okay. Let's go!
First category, mga bayan.
Game. Ako na yung parents ko.
Oh.
Bayani yung parents ko. Culinary mabini. Culinary mabini. So yung Lastic Man.
Ah. I don't understand this one.
Yeah.
Ano ba yan? Ano? Favoritism? Yung mga sikat lang.
Culinaryo mabini.
Oh, it's I think that all the heroes that make independence for Philippines.
Pwede ka na huminga.
Mr. Miss Andres Bonifacio. Mamay ko sa pewa. Mr. Miss Gabriela Sila. Last but definitely not the least, Mr. Miss Gregorio
Yes!
That's all the name of Filipinos heroes.
Next category ay SB19 song.
Oh, so they're going to choose and the one with a lot of folk
Love goes.
Ginto. Yeah, Justin. Good.
All of the songs sa top 4 ay Go Up,
Oh, good. We never heard this song.
ang next to pasok ay Wag mong ikunan ng
What? Oh, never heard of it. I think that's all the debut song.
Top 4 ay Bazinga,
Bazinga. Hey.
Dapat sasayawin ba? Sorry. Mana.
Mana? Oo.
Love go.
Let's go.
Gento are not choosing.
Cities na napuntahan nila during pagtatag.
Oh. What did you do? I forgot it.
In Vietnam?
Manila did that. 2 days, right? In Manila.
Mr. or Miss New York.
Oh.
New York, yes.
Yeah.
Wow!
I'm sorry. Mr. or Miss Bacolod.
Bacolod. Ako.
That's how you say it, Bacolod?
Bacolod.
Bacolod?
Congratulations.
Bacolod?
Mr. Davao and Mr. Cebu.
Oh.
So they're the winner.
Yung mga tao talaga dito sobrang palaban. Kasi tayo sa second year natin na tatawagin ay
Telepathy game.
Ayun!
Bubulong tayo na magiging kapartner natin tapos magbibigay ng category ang Game Master. Dapat, same tayo. ng
Oh, they need to guess the same answer.
Why Justin cover his outfit?
Irmay.
Irma
Eh!
and
Alam ko si
Jones.
Irma lang mag-isa. Pagkain.
Something is slow. 3, 2, 1, go.
Well,
Dug, 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 dug. Ang next player ay si Stel.
Sister.
Justin.
Ay!
Oh, they will go. They
Oh,
both got
Justin.
it wrong. Believe me, guys.
Justin!
I can feel it.
Still, you cannot predict Stel.
Oh,
3, 2, 1, go.
Chocolate!
See?
nasa isip ko! Nasa isip ko!
Yeah, he's really so
alam mo,
rich,
Justin,
right?
nanalo ako mag-isa. Sa kuliglig! Next player, I see. Pablo!
Pablo.
and
Ay!
Leia.
Dogs.
Cat.
Naya, what's Naya?
Sabi ko, sir, siya. Isa pa, hindi sila nakasagot eh.
Rachel.
Oh. His name is Rachel?
No, it's that girl on the right.
Oh, his name is Yanni.
3, 2, 1, go.
Talo.
Kumakanta pa ako eh, bakit?
He looks like Justin, right? Siblings?
Pwede kaya suntukan na lang.
Still, oh, the boots.
Members ng Teletubbies.
Po.
3,
Oh,
2, 1, go.
Po.
Be for real.
He doesn't know Teletubbies.
Winky, Winky.
Tinky Winky. Dipsy.
Can.
Favorite subject. Dahil dyan, mag-solve na kayo. Math.
Icebreaker pa lang yun na. Kaya,
Only still went. Only just one round.
Nakakatakot.
So, ang title sa next game namin, ang 1C
What kind of games?
SB19 versus 1Z Team. Then, ang mission natin ay palutawin ang
Oh.
Balloon.
Madali lang yung game.
Madali lang, pero wait lang kasi syempre may twist yan. May nakahandang shirt na dapat masuot natin without the balloon touching the
Oh,
floor.
wow.
Yan, and,
And now
after
that's-
dapat mag-post tayo in front of the camera.
Oh,
This
okay.
will go on until matapos ng lahat ng members
And the first one na matapos will be tagged as the winner.
At malalaman natin kung sino ang paparusahan kapag natapos na ang game.
At ang kung matalo ang mga staff, sa alam kami mag-decide ko.
Kung ano yung punishment.
Oo.
They should put some songs like Gendo,
No, it's okay. It will be copyright.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh.
Oh,
Okay. Why girl always screams
Stella
loud?
is going to win.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, that's wow. The difference is so.
Justin will lose. You believe Justin will lose.
Wow! Finally.
Justin's so calm.
Yeah. As he should be.
Ah, I thought you were going to lose. You know, he pretty calm.
Wow. That's too easy for him.
Oh. Go. Oh, they need to pause?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. It's actually hard, right? Oh, balikan. Oh.
Ngayon, syempre, kami yung nanalo team, di ba? Mag-isip kami ngayon ng punishment na bigyan
Oh.
may naisip pa kayo, punishment? Bakit parang nawala yung energy ng 1-0?
Ako ba naisip ako na, kung maganda.
Dapat kasi talaga,
Ano? May mga news reporter, gano'n. What if kayo din magpanggap kayo, tapos interview nyo rin yung may ganyan na kayong fight.
Okay.
Sige.
kayo mag-ano, number one.
They going to do some interview?
Ang mangyayari sa inyo, pag in-interview kayo, ang boses nyo lahat si Amo. Pwede ba yan?
Next!
Pwede ba yun?
Dapat kasi yung sa amin isang balon sa inyo dalawa.
Doon nga naman na-realize na ang hirap daw pa. Ang hirap pala, may patas lang.
Kaya mag-red carpet na lang kami ng patalikod.
Oh. That's so simple.
Sorry, ako paharap. Oh, ganun na.
Sa red carpet, hindi ba dapat gumagano kayo? Buong red carpet hanggang picture.
Stop.
And now, entering the red carpet, once he travels. Ma'am, tingin kayo dito, ma'am.
Huwag ka na lang kami parusahan. Maganda naman yung game kanina.
Oh.
Pero pag kami natalo, may parusa.
Oo, ang importante nag-enjoy tayo.
Hindi actually hindi. Mas mag-enjoy kami pag may punishment.
Ang punishment, lalakad mo na sila sa red carpet ng sabay-sabay. Okay, picture mo na maayos. Pag na-picture na maayos, kuha sa bulsa ng mask. Nabutas. Mga spouse ulit.
Oh, yan.
Alas tanggal na.
Tapos may remembrance tayo. Pag
Kasi ang daming
Oh.
partners.
Oo nga.
Pag sunod yung butas sa kagan. Kapag humarel, babalik sa
Pag kami laman ng balita talaga.
Ang maganda na mag-post before.
Okay na yun.
Okay.
Wait lang. Mag-decision kayo anong post ng bibig niya pag di na mo.
Kasi yun na lang. Yun yung pagkakasakit.
Ganun ka ate.
Ay, madali lang yan.
Na-imagine ang relation yung sarili niyo.
Oh.
Siyempre, bago tayo matapos dito, Kamustahin ko lang ang lahat. Kamusta yung experience sa pakikipaglaban sa kasama?
Kamusta ang...
Sobrang saya.
Okay, congratulations po syempre sa mga nanalo. Woo! At para sa mga talo, pira.
Yan.
Bukas na ba? Hindi, pero ayun na nga po. Ang aming, dito na po nagtatapos ang aming syempre mini show break. Episode 3 at ito nga po pala ang aming last episode.
Where's the punishment?
Sama-sama rin tayong manood ng Pagtatag the Documentary ngayong August 28, 2024 on selected cinemas nationwide.
So once again, happy second anniversary watching!
Wow.
I thought they're going to publish on YouTube.
Thank you so much. And this has been SB19!
And 1G Star.
Justin, sino ba yung nag-drawing na may aso siya nakasama? Oh, si Blues Blues.
Oh, Blues Clues!
Ay,
I love Blues Clues.
Ayan siya.
yeah, Blues. You know what to do? Oh, can't really didn't grow without watching Teletubbies, guys.
Yes.
Oh god,
I can't believe it.
Nobody can believe it because like I thought he left right because of Teletubbies and did anime basketball. But yeah, it's really enjoyable moment, guys. Maybe there's a lot of things that we can not in our custom, so we kind of got lost in it. But yeah, we still love the enjoyment. We still love the games, and thanks to that, I have some ideas and what will we do on the family gathering. By the way, this is the reaction video. Bye bye.